Artoonza.
Okay, before we start, if you've ever worn sneakers in your life, tap that like button right now. Tap it like you're stomping a puddle. All right, future shoe designers and crayon legends, welcome. Today, we are drawing the most legendary, most jaw-dropping, most I can't believe I made that single sneaker you've ever seen in your life. Wow. Yes, one shoe, because honestly, one is enough to be fabulous. We're starting bold with our black marker, laying down lines so clean, even your gym teacher would be impressed. And just wait. What's coming next in the coloring section is so glossy, so glittery, and so wildly extra. Your sneaker might just walk off the page. Stay right there. Let's go. Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Give us a big thumbs up. All right? First things first, we're giving this sneaker the glow up it deserves. We're painting it with the most gorgeous, glossy, light blue polish, and honestly, this shade isn't just a color. It's a whole mood. It's the color of a swimming pool on a hot summer day, a clear sky when you have zero homework, and basically every cool person's favorite sneaker. Watch how this glossy coat makes our shoe shine like it just stepped off a runway. A very fancy, very fabulous runway.
Aww, so cute.
Now we're adding gold glitter polish because regular shoes are boring and ours is not. This sneaker just leveled up to royalty. Pure magic. Smash that like button now. And now, the grand finale. We're dropping yellow acrylic paint straight from the dropper like tiny little sunshine bombs, then brushing it into pure golden perfection. Yellow that says, I woke up like this. Fabulous, bright, and absolutely unstoppable. This sneaker isn't just art anymore. It's a masterpiece. Frame it. Protect it. Never actually wear it. Big kiss, superstars. Wait, don't go. Click another video. We've got crazier drawings hiding here.